Hello friends, today we will try to understand what does it mean by cloud operating system. Let's begin with what does a cloud operating system mean by? A cloud operating system is a type of operating system designed to operate within cloud computing and virtualization environment. A cloud operating system manages the operation, execution and process of virtual machines, virtual servers, and virtual infrastructure, as well as the backend hardware and software resources. What cloud operating system exactly does? A cloud operating system primarily manages the operation of one or more virtual machines within a virtualized environment. Depending on the virtual environment and cloud services in use, the functionality of cloud operating system varies. For example, a cloud operating system developed to be used within a computing specific environment will manage the processes and threads of a single or cluster of virtual machines and servers. Similarly, a lightened cloud OS might provide end users with pre-installed applications and services accessed through an internet browser. Let's learn about what is the main purpose of having cloud operating system. So cloud operating system carries lot of significances. So just go one by one. So it gives access to the variety of web-based application which an application can operate. It allows users of cloud computing to ensure peak performance worldwide availability of cloud OS. It also allows the user to access their own desktop. Dynamic content and design requires only browsers, rich text editing facility, and extensive list of applications that can be supported on cloud operating system. Requires only browsers. Cloud operating system is designed for notebook, mobile internet devices, PCs which used to browse the internet. It also allows the user to perform any easy task. It also allows the user to access their own virtual desktop from anywhere in the country and perform many easy tasks. Let's move for the advantages of cloud operating system. Low cost of the software, performance improved, updation of software becomes immediately available, data reliability increases, latest version available, more precise documentation, and increased storage capacity. That is nothing but unlimited storage capacity. Moving for the disadvantages of cloud operating system, internet connection requires continuously, not perform on low speed connection. It have to have high speed internet connectivity. Limited features are available as compared to the standalone operating systems. Hardware failure might lose in data. Without proper administration, data not be securely proper. Lastly, just list out the cloud operating systems that are known to me. There are n number of cloud operating systems are available. You just need to Google it. So just for the information and for the sake of knowledge, first one is NetVibes, second one is CloudMe, and third one is Ghost. So these are the prominent cloud operating system that are used in day-to-day life. Here we have learned what does it mean by cloud operating system, what the role, responsibility of cloud OS, advantages of cloud OS, disadvantages of cloud OS, and few examples of cloud OS. Thank you.